Welcome back to Twisted Tales of Murder. Luis Garavito, nicknamed the Beast, confessed to having murdered children between the age of 8 and 16, mostly from low-income families. He would kidnap and abuse these children by posing as a monk, a homeless person, or a street vendor. Garavito was arrested in April of 1999 on attempted rape charges. But when he was asked if he had ever killed children, he said he has killed over 114 children, whose bodies were found in 59 Colombian towns beginning in 1994. Garavito admitted to the crimes and begged for forgiveness. But during his confession, it unraveled that he had committed many more murders that accounted for more than 190 children's deaths. Till next time, stay safe.